All right, everybody, I just got off the phone with corporate, and I just want to say you have all been fantastic this year. Your performance is incredible. But no, we're not downsizing. I know there have been rumors about downsizing. We are not downsizing. We're adding a new team member, and it's a little tight in here. So you're not being fired per se. You're just gonna have to move your desk and stuff and jobs somewhere else, okay? It's like Toy Story. Andy didn't get rid of Woody, but Buzz kind of came in. So we're gonna do this based purely off of scroll saw. I don't know, it was random. I'm sorry. Everybody else, thank you, scroll saw. We're gonna have to talk in my office. So collect your things and let's just go this way. Don't make a scene. This can be fine. Oh, all right. Gotta move the router here. Gotta get it over to the plunge. No biggie. This is no problem. Only have one router. Just gotta swap it back and forth. It's not annoying at all. All right. Just a short process. Totally not worth getting another router. You know what? I really should be just thankful I've got a router. It's no biggie having to just switch this back and forth all the time. All right. Okay. All right. Now I can get to... Oh, God. All right. We're supposed to do the roundovers first. It's okay. We'll just put it back in. We've got tons of time. And we're going back. Going back in. Just be thankful you have a router, Miles. You don't need two. But what if you did have two? Oh, son of a... Got to do the plunge cuff first. Plunge, then round over, then we trim it off. Okay, that's all right. We just take it out of there. It's fine. You're getting younger every day. It's no biggie. I'm sure this Craig thing is designed to be open and closed over and over again. Probably not. Probably fine. Oh, would you look at that? I gotta go inside. It's time to go to bed. All right, and there we go. That should be the order for the lumber. All right, where's the confirmation email. Okay, it takes 2 days to ship, and then, okay, five business days. All right, that's like 7 days. No problem. What's today? Ooh, it's a Friday. Okay, so we've got the weekend, and then 5 more days, 2 days to ship it, and then 5 more days for shipping. Okay, it's not a problem. That's only 7 days plus the weekend. Well, in the meantime, first of all, I better limber up in case it gets here and they need my help getting it off of the UPS truck. Just in case, 5 board feet. That's a lot. I don't even know what a board foot is. It sounds like a lot. Okay, limbered up. All right. Today is still Friday. Okay. Ooh, what are we gonna do? 5 days and business days. Okay. Does that look level? I should probably check this. You want to be prepared when your lumber gets here. It just needs to be right. Okay. Yeah, that would be 45 degrees. Okay. All right, still Friday. Okay, so I shouldn't have been lazy. I probably should have just driven to the lumber yard. All right, better just test this fit, do a bit of a dry run first. I'll just get that in there. All right, looks pretty good. All right, looks pretty good. Uh-oh. Oh boy. Uh-oh. Okay. Come on. Uh-oh. If it's so stuck, does it actually need glue? What if I can't get it out? Does this still work? Oh, come on. Come on. You can do it. Oh, God. Okay. All right. What do we do? What do we got here? What do we got? I don't know what you're going to do. Are you going to do anything? Can you apply some leverage, maybe? Okay. All right. Probably doesn't even need glue, right? Probably doesn't need glue. All right. What else can we do here? Can I hang on it? Oh, God. All right. All right. It fits. Just always good to do a dry run. Always good to just dry fit things, just in case. Whew. It's a good thing I limbered up. Well, you know, Clyde, I'm getting ready to do my new project here. Yeah. You know, Bob the other day, he was telling me, he's like, your shop is too small. You got to get out of there. So what are you talking about? There's so much room in here. Look at all the room in here. It's no biggie. Anyways, Clyde, I got to mill this up. So I'll catch you later. All right, bye. That's right, phones used to hang on the wall. All right, let's get this milled up. Okay, yep. Oh, that was loud. All right. Okay. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Okay. I'm gonna need to borrow you. All right, and that's powered, plugged in. Okie dokie. All right, no biggie. Oh. All right. Oh, crap. All right, no problem. Gotta make a swing here. Okay. Oh, God. All right, we're just gonna bring you in here. All righty. Okay, we don't want to aim you at the bandsaw. I'll give you that way. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Whoops. Okay. All right. Oh, God. Okay. 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 You know, I don't know what Bob was talking about. This place is huge. How would I ever need to upgrade shop size? Is he crazy? What am I going to do? Sell a kidney? Sell my planer? Okay. All right, we're coming through. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, that's a close one. All right. Awesome.